Hello everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. Thank you so much for watching all my videos and subscribing and giving me thumbs up. I really appreciate it, everyone. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. So I have another Gadget Discovery Club unboxing for you today. So this is a subscription club box that I get once a month, and it costs me $33.21. So it's not like very expensive gadgets, tech products, but it's just a fun surprise that I get every month. So check it out. A light bulb. Okay, so this is interesting because I've thought about like doing different kind of lights for the background of my channel. I've seen other people do different lights, so this is interesting. Is it all rainbow? Open it up. Look at it. So it looks like just a regular light bulb, but it can't be. It's got all these colors on it. Does it change colors? Specific colors? Is it all over? Oh. Control your smart bulb with smart light. So it changes from, with your phone. The instructions in this manual are for your reference only. The app will be updated from time to time. Always follow instructions in the app to complete Wi-Fi setup and get to know more about the functions. So it says white light, multiple color, full light, create scenes, and a timer. So I guess you download their app. Alright, so this is interesting. Neat. I might can use this for my channel, so I'll definitely try this out and let you guys know how it does. That's cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell.